In today's video, I will show you how you can rank your designs on Redbubble, and I will show you the main factors that Redbubble depends on them to rank any design. Besides, I will show you the exact tips I do to rank my designs on a better position on the platform. But before we start, I will much appreciate it if you smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bells. Also, please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. So first, you must know that on print and demand field you can sell your work without spending any money on advertising. You just depend on the platform rank and the organic visitors. The best platform in this case is Amazon. You can start selling your t-shirts on Amazon upfront hundreds of millions of daily users. Redbubble also have a great number of daily visitors, but you must know that Redbubble doesn't have the loyalty that Amazon have. I will explain more. For example, most of people, when they want a specific product, the first choice is Amazon. They open the website and start browsing. But Redbubble doesn't have this kind of users, and if they exist, I am sure they will just a few people. But Redbubble have a better rank on Google. When you search for a specific t-shirt and you put the word of shirt in the search bar, Redbubble appear as the first result. And this is the main reason why Redbubble have this huge number of visitors, because Redbubble dominate the SEO. And when Redbubble appear in the first results for a specific keyword and you also work on that keyword, your designs must appear in the first page on Redbubble, because more than 80% of visitors shop from the first page. So what is the main factors to rank your designs on Redbubble? The first thing is the title, after the tags and the description. So you must focus on the title and put the maximum of keywords on it, especially the long tail keywords. But you must enter related and switchable keywords related to your design. So my method is put some general keywords plus sub niches keywords. For example, if you search for funny shirt on Google, like you see, Redbubble appear as the first result, and then Amazon and Etsy. But in this case, I will choose Etsy because Etsy is the best place if you want to find title keywords. You just search for any keyword you target and see the first results appear. After, copy the keywords of the title to your Redbubble title, and that's what I was doing, and it's really worked for me. The most sellers on Etsy using paid tools to find the best keywords. All you need to do is copy and paste, and you will take advantage from their efforts. So for example, this t-shirt, I can't adult shirt. So the title have the main idea plus funny shirt, and this is the generic keywords and plus funny t-shirts for women, and this is a sub niche keyword. Let's see this shirt. I put a spell on you, the main idea plus Halloween t-shirt plus witch t-shirt, and this is the sub niche keyword. So always put your main idea keyword plus put the general keywords on your idea. For example, funny t-shirt plus the sub niche for your idea. For example, cool t-shirts for divorces women. Now, I think the title is done. For the tags, don't repeat keywords you already enter in the title. So there is a lot of tools and websites you can use to find the best tags for you. But the best one, of course, is Redbubble itself. When you search for your keyword on Redbubble, a lot of related searches appear here. This is the best keywords you can use. If you can't find anything related to your keyword, just use merge title or tag generator, and I was explained this before. You can see this video from here. And for the description not affect your rank at all. The description is not necessary, but it's okay to create a description and save it on your pad to use it on all your designs. You can express your brand and the features of your t-shirts, or you just copy it from Amazon and use it on Redbubble. But guys, all these factors and efforts can go to waste if your design is not good. The first thing the user see is the design, and the design is the first reason the user choose your t-shirt, so you can rank on the first page. But if your designs was sucks, you will do all this work for nothing. So focus on the quality of the design and be creative. So guys, I wish you benefit from this video. If so, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and see you on the next one.